ladies and gentlemen. What are you doing? Did I wake you up? Did I? Hey, beautiful. And hey, handsome. Nice. You were sleeping. I can feel you were both sleeping. Oh, what a beautiful pair of cats. And you're growing. You're growing. Wow, you're a beautiful kitten. Beautiful. Look at you. Look at you. And you, big guy? Huh? You have something to say? Let's make yourself look nice. Really. Leo. You're a beautiful guy. Handsome guy. Make yourself look nice. Look at that. Don't be sleepy all the time. At least meow. You're always sleepy, right? You don't care. You never get really upset. You're always slow. You take your time. You're just one nice, mellow guy. And of course, she is complete opposite of that. She's opposite. She's fast. She kicks butt. She likes to box. Sometimes she likes to box, right? Yeah. You're not as nice as you look. You are not. No, you're not. You're mean sometimes. You're mean sometimes. You're fast sometimes. Okay, guys. Keep sleeping.